Let's go and take a look at this beautiful PC that we have over here. This is the Acer Helios Neo 16S with a beautiful OLED display. And let's go and talk about it, showcase you a little bit more the details and every information that you need to know for this laptop before purchasing or utilizing it, as well as some close-up shots of the beauty of the finishing touches to this amazing product. The Acer Predator Helios 16S AI is powerhouse built for gamers and creators, combining raw performances with smart AI features in a bold, aggressive design. Under the hood, it packs the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 with a dedicated NPU for AI tasks, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU that handles AAA titles on ultra setting at QHD resolution with ease. The 16-inch IPS display boasts a crisp 2560 x 1600 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, great brightness, and a stunning color accuracy, making it perfect not only for gaming but also for photo and video editing. You get 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, upgradable, and a lightning fast 1 terabyte SSD. Cooling is handled by Acer's AeroBlade system with liquid metal, keeping temperatures under control even during long demanding sessions. The RGB backlit keyboard is precise and tactical with a customizable WASD zone, and the speakers are surprisingly solid for a gaming laptop. On the AI side, the new Predator Sense 5.0 uses artificial intelligence to dynamically optimize performance, thermal behaviors, and power consumption in real time. It's also ready for creative workflow, leverage Windows Copilot and AI accelerated editing tools to boost productivity. Battery life is great. It's the kind of machine it though performs best when plugged in because you can be gaming with this device, and of course if you do game or you do edit or 4K edit or photo editing, it will get more battery out of it instead that if you're simply using email or surfing the web. So if you do plug it in, then absolutely perfect. Otherwise, you probably get about a 7 to 8 hours on the go gaming with all the pauses that you take between in and out. So definitely something really good. Is a top tier laptop ready for gaming, content creation, and AI powered features as well.